Mahesh Pradhan here. Once again, thank you so much for tuning into another episode. And in this episode, I'm going to talk about what should be your daily routine while practicing English speaking. Okay, so as you can see, I am actually holding my microphone come headphone. Uh, you know, I don't like to wear this all the time as a typical Indian English trainer, but yeah, so that's the reason actually I'm holding it right now in front of you guys. As you can see, only the microphone, right? So let's talk about the routine. Okay, so before talking about routine, let's talk about different kind of levels in English speaking journey. There are three levels, right? So you can measure your level, and I'm going to talk about the measures. I'm going to talk about the levels that in English speaking journey everyone has their own level, and I believe that everyone has their own different journey, right? English speaking practice journey cannot be same for everyone. Let me tell you. The first level is beginner level. If you're a beginner, complete beginner, if you're struggling to express yourself, then you're a beginner. If you're second level is intermediate. If you're an intermediate, then you express yourself, somehow you express yourself, but you're actually struggling in some point. You are forgetting some words, you are forgetting some phrases while expressing yourself, but somehow you express yourself. That means you are a intermediate level. And finally, if you are an advanced speaker, then yeah, it's good. You can go for public speaking and communications kind of stuff like that. But let's talk about beginner, because I see most of my students, they're actually at beginner level. So let's focus on beginner. If you're a beginner, complete beginner, how you can practice English speaking, how you can plan out your day, and how you can make a strategy, how you can what's your daily routine actually. So I'm not going to tell you the entire daily routine, but yes, every single day you should have 1 hour to practice English speaking. And in that 1 hour, what you can do, let me tell you. If you're a complete beginner, everyone has 24 hours. Yes or no? I have 24 hours, you have 24 hours, everyone has 24 hours a day. But the thing is, how you manage the 24 hours that matters the most, right? So if you're a complete beginner, then I suggest only focus 15 minutes a day on grammar part. Grammar like tense, modals, conditional sentence and stuff like that. And based on the grammar that you learned, that you gather the knowledge from other courses, from YouTube channels, from your book, yeah, maybe anything. So based on the grammar you learn from different sources, you should practice your English speaking and only focus on you centric English speaking. You centric English speaking means only talk about yourself, only express yourself. Because if you're a complete beginner, then don't go for topic wise discussion, don't go for a topic wise English speaking practice. Right now you should express yourself, because no one is going to ask you about some topic. If you're a complete beginner, you should express yourself. You should express your about your childhood. You should express about your family members, what you do, your qualities, your strength, weakness and stuff like that, right? So if you're a complete beginner, just learn the grammar, essential grammars. You don't have to learn all the grammar rules, but yes, some grammar rules are there, you have to learn in order to speak English fluently and confidently. So 15 minutes grammar, another 45 minutes only practice and practice, based on the grammar that you gathered, based on the grammar knowledge that you gather from different courses, maybe from videos, maybe from my videos. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. So 45 minutes practice, 15 minutes grammar, that's it. And definitely you will reach at a point when you become an intermediate speaker. An intermediate speaker means you can express yourself well, and then you can go for advanced speaking, right? So in advanced speaking, the strategy is different. So the strategy I'm giving you right now, it is for beginner level. If you are struggling to express yourself, you are a beginner, complete beginner, right? So don't keep out your ego. Just start from basic grammar. Basic grammar, if you don't know, just comment in the comment section, sir, which grammar rules I should focus first. I'll definitely suggest you that. So this video is only about 1 hour practice how you can do 1 hour, how you can do practice for 1 hour daily, but every single day you should have 1 hour for English speaking, right? And consistency is the most important thing, because if you're practicing today and tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow you are forgetting about your practice, your training, then this will make no sense, right? So if you're a complete beginner, start from the basic grammar, start from the tense, modals, you know conditional sentence and stuff like that, and only practice based on the grammar that you learn that day. Don't go for topic wise discussion, because no one will ask you about any topic if you're a complete beginner. Everyone will ask you about yourself in a discussion, in a conversation. You will ask about yourself. You'll be asked about your childhood, maybe about your story, maybe about your family members, maybe some places you traveled, right? You have to express yourself. So that's the thing, guys. Yeah. So only 1 hour, only 1 hour, I'm telling you. 15 minutes per day grammar, 45 minutes per day practicing English speaking. Because if you're not opening your mouth, if you're not speaking a word, then you cannot become fluent. I heard a quote like, you cannot become a swimmer by learning how to swim from a book. You have to deep in the pond, maybe in the river, to learn swim with a trainer. But if you want to become a swimmer, and if you are learning how to become swimmer from a book, then definitely you are not going to become a swimmer, right? In order to become a swimmer, you have to dive into the pond or river with a trainer who can guide you, who can show you the direction, right? So same goes with English speaking. If you if you want to learn English speaking, it is not just about grammar, it's not just about learning. It is about implementing the learning, because knowledge is power. No, knowledge is not power. Knowledge is only potential power. The real power is implementation, is knowledge, right? And final, you should have a goal, because if you don't have a goal, if you don't know where to go, if you don't know where you want to go, then you can reach at anywhere, and anywhere is not a good place to go. Anywhere is not a good destination to go. So you should have a goal. 1 hour daily, 15 minutes on grammar, 45 minutes English speaking practice. You may record your videos, and you can watch the videos. You can track your improvement as well, right? So having said that, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you find this video useful, just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, so that when I put any new video, you will get notified fast. And share your comments below. What is the biggest takeaways? What is the biggest learnings from my video, right? So see you in my next video. I will catch you in the next episode. Till that time, you just practice for 1 hour every single day. Yeah. Thank you so much. Bye bye.